Okay, let's see how you can make some savings on idle ARDS databases. So it should be quite similar than the EC2 instances. The implementation effort will be low, which means it will be easy to make the savings. Let's dive in. So first, what is an idle ARDS instance? It's considered as idle if its active database connection or session is 0 on a long period, meaning you can go directly to the monitoring section on ARDS service database section and check the database connection diagram. If it's 0 on a long period, like at least 6 months, for example, you know it's being idle. To find them all, you can simply go to Cost Optimization Hub services and filter by resource type equals to ARDS DB instance and recommended action equals to stop. You will see the estimated monthly savings, zero resource ID, and more. You can also check with Trusted Advisor. You can go directly to Cost Optimization section and then Amazon ARDS idle DB instances. Again, you will see main information, all your list, and you can download it in CSV file, for example. To fix it, you can simply delete it. To be sure, you can temporarily stop your instance up to 7 days, for example, allowing you a response from your team if a rollback is necessary. And to delete it, you can simply click Actions and Delete, and it will create a snapshot in case you need it later. That's all.